Welcome to physics class. Today we will study more about the reflection of light. In that case, we will deal today laws of reflection. But before dealing laws of reflection, we should know about some important terms. For that, I have drawn a diagram here. PQ is reflecting shining surface which is smooth. AO is light ray which is incident on this shining surface. We have drawn a normal, means perpendicular, that is OC. Then angle formed between normal and incident ray is I, means angle of incidence. Reflected ray is OB and angle between reflected ray and normal is R, means angle of reflection. Now we will discuss one by one all the definition related to this diagram. First term is incident ray, the light ray which falls on reflecting surface. Here it is AO. Incident ray. Second one, reflected ray, the light ray which bounces back from the reflecting surface, that is OB, is known as reflected ray. Third one, point of incidence. It is a point on the reflecting surface on which the incident ray falls, that is O. Next, normal. Normal is 90-degree angle or perpendicular to the smooth surface at the point of incidence. It is OC. Next one is angle of incidence, denoted by angle I. Angle formed between incident light ray and the normal, that is angle AOC, which is angle of incidence. Next one is angle of reflection, angle R. Angle formed between reflected light ray and normal, which is angle BOC. Here. This one. During reflection, light follows two laws. Those are called laws of reflection. And these are applicable for all kinds of reflection, may be diffused regularly. Okay. Now, first law, incident light ray, reflected light ray and normal at the point of incidence all lie in same plane. Second law, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle I equal to angle R. Second diagram, when light ray is incident normally on the reflecting surface, then it retraces or rebounces on the same path, means angle I is 0, then angle R will be 0 for the reflected light ray. Image. Now we will discuss about this topic. What is image? When we see in the plane mirror, we see our face. That is image. Image is of two types, real image and virtual image. Real image is formed by actual intersection of the light rays. Means this is erect image and can be obtained on the screen. And virtual image is formed when light rays appears to meet at a point. And virtual image is always erect, cannot be obtained on the screen. Now we will see that laws of reflection are true or false by an activity. For that we need drawing board, white sheet, drawing pen, thumb pen, scale, pencil, mirror holder, mirror and protractor. First of all, we will fix A4 sheet or drawing sheet on the drawing board with the help of drawing pins. Then we have to draw a line, say 14 centimeter, and we will mark at 7 centimeter. We will place the protractor and make an angle 40 degree. We'll place a mark over here. Now we will join O and P. Let it be P and extend it on one side. By convention, incident light ray is on left hand side. That's why this is incident light ray. Now we will draw a normal at the point of incidence with the help of protractor. This is incident light ray, incident ray. Now this is normal. As we know, angle formed between incident light ray and normal is angle of incidence, which is 50 degree now. Now I will place a reflecting mirror at the line we have drawn, and on incident light ray at position A, one thumb pin, and at position B we will place second thumb pin. Now I will see in the mirror and place two next thumb pins. All the thumb pins will be in straight line. Let us start. Third, fourth, I placed thumb pin C and D in such a way that only last pin will be visible to us. All the three pins will align in a straight line. Look at here. It means rectilinear path of light. All pins are in straight line. You can observe. Now we are only able to see only first pin. Next three pins are beside it. Now we will mark the position of pins so that we can join the lines pin C and D. This will represent now reflected light ray. We have to join this line up to O, point of incidence. Now this OQ is reflected light ray arrow outward, and these are the positions of pin C and D. Angle formed between the normal, that is O, X, this is normal. This angle is angle of reflection. Angle formed between reflected light ray and normal is angle of reflection. Now let us measure this. Now I have placed protractor over here. Position O, angle is 4290. This is 50 degree. What does it mean? Angle of incidence is 50 degree. Angle of reflection is 50 degree. Hence, it is proved that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. And second law, incident light ray, normal and reflected light ray all lies in same plane. Now we will prove laws of reflection by laser light also in the same scenario. We can observe incident light ray and reflected light ray all lie in same plane. Thus angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Hence it is proved. Thank you for watching.